How to sell AliExpress products on Shopify. Hey everybody, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way on how you can sell AliExpress products on Shopify. So the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure you have an account on AliExpress, and then you can set up your shop on Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is browse through the products on AliExpress, see what's hot selling and what's on the trend. You can select those products with reliable sellers and fast shipping. Once you have those products, you can set those products up along with the description on your Shopify store. So just go ahead and open up your Shopify store. And once you have your Shopify open, just set up the product there. And once you basically set up the product, what you need to do is if you get any orders from Shopify, you just basically have to set that order up on AliExpress. And then you basically have to set up the price in such a way that you gain profit. So you're going to set it up a little bit higher than what it costs on AliExpress on your Shopify. Then you just order the product on AliExpress with the customer's address. One thing you have to be quick at is responding to their questions as well as keep them up to date with the product tracking. And once you do that, you should be able to sell AliExpress products on Shopify. So that's about it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.